Good morning. This is St. Joseph Clueny School of Runikhata. This school is running by St. Joseph sisters. So today it was second Saturday. So we came for the give lunch to our daughter. So today class is holiday. This is the school compound. This is a class nurseries classroom. They have 500 students. Nếu có kẹp tới lang, nếu có để khảo nàng, mà chỉ mình hãy. Side is very beautiful and neat and clean, and this greeny tree are there like a bite. Yeah, हमारा अंकल है. ये स्कूल को देखभाल करता है ये अंकल. हेलो. स्कूल में आया था वो लोग. Hello. What is your name? Gibson. In which class you are studying? 3, class 3. Where is your house?
Yellow.
Huh?
Yellow.
Where? Yellow. No. Where is your house? House. Where?
Right.
Huh? Where? Look this side. Where? Laimuti. Tinali. Okay. Your house is Tinali. Edenbari. What is your father name? Emmanuel. It's my daughter.